Cherry once said that memories don't expire. It's been almost a year to finally create the story of our trip. So here it is, our amazing Japan family adventure. Come and hang out with us. Enjoy.
Babalik pa ba tayo dito? Ha? Kasi Billy Ken. Billy Ken. Randy, babalik pa tayo dito? Balik pa tayo dito? Ha? Kasi, tignan nyo, Billy Ken. Billy Ken natin. Papa.
Yay!
Anong day na natin? Anong day natin, May? It's another day. Day 3 ba?
No, stay too.
Day 3, and we will eat breakfast before we go to the zoo, to the aquarium. It's a good day today. It's a sunny day. Hi, Bianche. Hi.
Right here, let's go.
Hi. Good morning. And the birthday boy. Papandi. Happy birthday, Papandi.
Happy birthday to me. In Japan.
Up.
My bike.
Up. Stay on the side. Pag ano, stay on the side. Wag ka, side ka lang. And Basti. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Dan, sama pala natin si Pat eh. Ito, si Pat.
Ito,
Oh,
parang maganda mo man yung sapatos dito. No?
bakit?
Pero hindi ka lang kung ilang sapatos.
Kung
Isa kaya.
Dan, okay ka lang? Okay lang ba si na DJ?
Okay naman ito, bakit?
Kasi well siya. Para tayo
Well,
tanga nito eh, ha?
Pag-wild yung mga tapat, hindi ka pwede stop na.
So we will eat breakfast muna. happy place. McDonald's. Tennoji Zoo.
Agad? No picture. No, the monkey area is there. It's right there. This, ito nga tayo eh. Entrance room.
Ano, nag-away na?
Oo. Tama, diba? Direktan mo na tayo.
Picture muna daw, Mi. Ay, picture daw. Tunog ng frog?
Ribbit.
Boka.
Ribbit.
Boka. Pag Tagalog?
Ribbit. Poka.
Yan. Dito, Mio, tingnan mo. Tingnan meron dito, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. May nakita kayo?
Kasi yung exhibit eh. Yun ako ba?
Leonardo, Donatello, Raphael. Sino yung isa? First Michelangelo. Tatlo lang sila. Wala, baka kumakain ng pizza. Kanoji Zoo. Yeah. Ganda ba, Dan? That is good ba? Kaya-kaya yung mga animals. Ganda tingnan.
Number one.
Number 1.
Isa senior.
Ano pa sa slim?
Number
Kapag
1.
nanonood na.
Oh, number 1. Oo nga, ano?
Wait.
Uy, turtle, oh. Kala mo na nasunod sa amo niya, oh. Milo ko. Kaya na ko pa nagulat ako, sabi ko, uy, nakakawala. Galing eh. Nasunod.
Let's go.
Pero
Hello.
Nakasulit naman.
My goal is to fill all my fingers with rings, including my feet,
Paano ba nakukuha random?
from a
May mga
gacha
team.
machine.
Ito.
So right now I only have a good top, and I forgot what this is. Not from both gacha machines. So help me find gacha machines so I can get rings. Bye bye.
What's our next stop?
Osaka Aquarium.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Daddy ako.
Okay.
Anong Tagalog ng wallet?
Ano?
Eddie. Itapa.
Daan na kami sa aquarium. Sasakay kami ng bus ngayon. Na-experience mga bata. Happy birthday, Papa Andy.
First time riding a bus in Japan this week.
Wee! Say wee!
危険物の持ち込みはお断りします。Dangerous items are not permitted on the bus.
Kasha ba?
Later, yung pagbaba ang ano.
Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Go, Vic, make a wish muna, make a wish, go, then blow candles.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Hi. Close. So, what our itinerary for today?
Kyoto and Nara.
Bien.
Let's go! Dito tayo ulit.
Get me on the vlog. I'll start the vlog. Hello. So we are going. Where are we going?
Going to the train station.
And then what? And then what?
And then we're gonna ride the bus. No, we're not gonna ride the train. We're gonna ride the bus. It's a tour.
It's a wait. It's a tour.
We're going to the bus. It's a walking distance from here. Malapit dun sa train station exit.
Say hi.
Hi!
This
Hi
is-
vlog!
So now we are going to feed. What are we gonna feed again?
Beer.
So we're gonna feed some beers.
Sing ka din. Ganyan yung nasing kahapon eh.
Going on a trip on this favorite rocket ship.
Ang hindi pa natin
No
napupuntahan,
copyright.
dahil yung
Hindi,
Kumu na market.
Ma,
Yun yan, ihagawin dito.
hurry! It's walking fast. So we're on our way.
Wala, saan parang masisik na yung ihagawin.
Jeep home.
Abot ka na yun.
And we're on in Jeep home. Just I have to walk. So I had to change my jacket a little because it's too cold out here. My hands are really freezing.
Parang nakita ko yung
Let me put my left hand.
15 minutes,
Oh, wait.
parang pababa na pababa.
Ay,
Ay, palaki
I'm
na
gonna-
palaki dito.
Okay. So cold. Huh? Say hi. Say hi. So, what's your name? Interview. What's your name?
Hi guys, this is Dan. It's me again.
How old are
Hi.
you?
I'm the problem. It's
No, you're not.
not the copyright.
Why everything you say there's copyright?
Everything is a song.
And we don't want a copyright strike. So it feels so good talking in Filipino in Japan.
We're going to ride the bus na. Number 48?
48.
48.
Check the front. Ano? The front. There's a number on that.
Blue bus naman daw. Baka ito na. 48 ni. Apat na 8.
Ito. Ah, kasi 40. Yes.
4-8. Apat na 8.
Sakay na.
Yung sa ano ata.
Yung may baso.
Hi. Yay. Aircon. Aircon. Yeah. We're going to Nara.
Ma, no food allowed.
You can, but not drinks.
Yeah.
So I'm your tour guide today. My name is Joyce.
Pwede.
Very nice, very nice to meet you. And today we were going to the Kyoto and Nara, like in 3 attractions. The first attraction we're heading now is Nara Park. So the Nara Park is in the center of Nara City, and our riding time is about 1 hour. And next attraction is the Fushimi Inari Shrine in the Kyoto City. And also the last attraction, the Arashiyama area, is also in the Kyoto City as well. And thank you very much. And during today's journey, if you need any assistance or help, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you very much.
Ha?
Bibigyan yung braso ko eh. Nahulog na din yung bra ko.
Ano kayo naka-video?
Nahulog yung bra ko.
Kakabuhat dito. Yan ako na. Ang layo din pala lakaran, no? Ang ganda ng picture. Oh, ang ganda din, no? Clear yung water, ang ganda ng yung ano niya, reflection.
7 years.
What? Dami. Dapat Pokemon na lang yung hawak na yun. Pikachu, Bulbasaur. Sino pa ba mga karakter sa Pikachu? At ito bilis na maglakad. Ano?
70 minutes. Kakatid.
Siya nakakangahingal eh. Ayan na. Chen 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 chen. Where's the toilet? There. Okay. Well, thank you.
Round 1. Fight!
Pagbaw ka muna. Ulgaw yung malalaki.
Si Bien, ha? Si Bien.
Taas mo, tago muna.
Panasi ka.
Si Rusty. Baw muna. Wow, wala. Tago mo. Wala na. Wala. Di tayo marunong pakain eh. Doon muna tayo.
Si Bien.
Si Bien, uy. Iniwanan si Bien dyan. What?
Ami, ito dito.
Ano? Ayan, sige, baw ka. Yan, tapos bigyan mo. Wala. Susubok ka na.
Sinunod nga yung put ko eh. Kaya ako natakot eh.
Round 2. Fight!
Ano?
Natulog ka.
Wala. Hindi tayo dito. Hindi ka. Wala. Meron ka pa pagkain.
Sa bag ko. Wala.
Wala.
Daddy mo kasi dumikit dito.
Ay, kaya naman, keep up the grass na. Keep up the grass. Ito na. Parang inaano kayo zombie dyan, ha. Ano nga gawin niya dahil pag gano'n yan, ganyan zombie?
Bow. Isa pa. Bow. Food. Sabay-sabay pa kain. Bow. Okay, wala na.
Wala na po. Sorry, wala na.
Enjoy mo naman, di ba?
I enjoyed it.
Enjoy ka dyan.
I enjoyed it much.
Daddy ang enjoy. Nakita niya stress ako eh.
Sayang, di ko na video eh. Tago mo.
Ayoko na.
Daddy mo kasi dumikit dito.
Parang zombie lang eh. Paano kaya kami naging zombie deer, no? No oras na yun? 5 minutes.
Sa deer next.
Ha? Ako nga, no? Galit pa rin siya. Galit pa siya sa akin. Hindi na mauulit yun. I-picture mo yun.
Hindi, huwag natin tapusin lahat. Hanap lang tayo ng spot.
Pwede pipicture na si Dandan. We're done. We'll go back na. Kain na kami. Yahoo!
We will go back down to Book Off Plus.
Saan? Wow, Book Off Plus. You want coffee? No, ikaw. Coffee? Kayo din. Ah, wala yata. Kung may ice, ice. Okay, pag wala, okay lang din hot. Okay. Kung may ice daw,
Ice
ice. Kung wala, okay lang din ka hot. Kasi naman wala.
I was never the one to write up a song, just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong.
Sabi niya, paano daw pag tumira siya dito sa Japan tapos hindi siya magtrabaho? Paano daw siya magkakayen? Magkakayen.
You need to work para magkayen. You ask Mama Donnie about that.
I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
Dito ka, antay mo ako. Hoy. Away kami. Galit sa akin eh. Ginulat ko kasi siya. Sinindot ko kasi yung puwet niya. Akala niya yung deer.
2 minutes lang din mo.
Ha? 2 minutes lang? Ano ba kunin natin?
Order ko sa
iba
Amazon.
boses na doon. Isipin mo doon.
Order ko sa
Amazon. Ano ba yung order mo sa Amazon? Okay. Tcharan!
other side.
Other side, okay. Let's go. Pipick upin lang namin in order ni Cherry from Amazon. Galing, no? Ano ba in order natin doon?
Rain cover para sa stroller.
Si stroller. Binyagan agad yung bagong shoes. Ayan, oh. Ano ba tawag dito?
Overpass.
Akala ko doon sa may train station tayo kukuha.
Train station yata hindi.
Sana maganda yung mga na-take kong video para maganda yung edit. Meron din pala nagbabundle sa Japan, no? Parang sa Osaka Castle pwede mag-bike, eh, no?
Lawson? You want Lawson? No, I want the Amazon. It's a box where you get your stuff. Where you get your order.
Baka sa Tokyo muna. Diyan, di ba? Ano yung blue na yun? Amazon ba yan?
Hindi.
Tama, grand quality. Ito na eh. Gago. Wow, galing ah. Ang galing nun ah. Wow. Ayos yun ah. Solid yung open mo ulit, close mo na.
Wala na, hindi ko na mabubukas.
Hindi na?
Kasi tapos na.
Ay, ganun, sayang. Galing mo, Amazon. Galing mo, ate 7-Eleven.
Awesome. Lapit lang pala sa atin, umikot pa tayo.
Oh, halo.
Mali din pala si Google mag-pin. Tama sila nang tinuturo sa Lawson yung nasa Lawson yung Amazon.
Kasi magka-rhyme. Lawson, Amazon.
Kaya ang ano ko is, ang intindi nila sa Amazon, Lawson. Yung pala, nasa Lawson yung Amazon.
Kasi nakakapagtaka, bakit siya parang
bahay?
Bahay,
sa
tapos parang ano ba yun, liblib ba yun or ano? Na hindi daanan ng tao.
Wala kasi nakalagay dun sa address na Lawson. Or nakasulat siguro pero hapon. Lapit lang pala. Ikot pa tayo sa kabilang kalsada.
Yun daw yung fastest route eh. Ayaw kanya kumanan. Okay. Mission accomplished.
So,
yes.
bakit yung kotse ay hindi makaandar?
Bakit?
Kasi flat.
Yes, hi Glenn. Bago kami pumunta sa Nakamura? Nakamura. And then Town. Kain muna kami sa
Byukatsu Motora.
Sino nag-refer sa inyo ito?
Nakita ko sa vlog niya. Andy Manzano.
Akala ko kilala mo si David. Akala ko kagad. Ha?
GP. Asawa.
David.
Gen. Say hi! Camera. Say hi!
Ayun, buhat kami.
Go to daddy.
Ayan, pinapaya mo naman ako eh.
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Kawawa naman si Mami.
Ayaw sa tatay.
Next time di ka na sasama. Iwan ka na lang doon. Doon ka sa Villanueva.
Hello.
Palaga kay Mama Diding.
Mexico. I was looking at some videos, Kuya Danny.
Yeah. We are going. Now goodbye. We are going.
Would you wait? I have a question for all the viewers. Would you say no to this face? Would you say no to this face?
Wag mo ko yun. Tuloy. Yan tuloy.
Yeah.
Yan tuloy. Kanina ako
Would you say no to that face? I'm wearing like 3 layers of clothing. It's cold. It was cold when we left Airbnb. Now we're just chilling. Like, copyright music.
I'm ordering a tart. Yung favorite ng tart dito sa Japan, yung Pablo. Ako lang mag-isa, wala ko internet, hanapin ko pa sila kung nasaan. Authentic eh. Me! Kawan! Takoyaki kukuru! The first man who stepped in don't to be wearing a slipper!
And no socks.
With no socks!
Alright.
Nakadating sa Japan tong islander, oh. Pwerte naman yan.
Katapat ng pinakamatinding paa.
Hi, so we are here.
Hold up. She's the reason why I make videos. She enjoys watching it and she has a story to tell.
And I have a story. I have a story to tell you. Kuya Dad knows about it.
Oh. It's your story time.
So we're I was so I can't even speak. So when we went back to the Airbnb, to the house, to the Airbnb, and then I suddenly realized my iPad was missing. Kasi I thought it was at the Airbnb, because I usually leave it there because it's always low bat. But I thought I brought it today. Until I realized it's not there. It's on the stroller. We checked everywhere. Until we realized. So we checked for like 15 minutes or 9. So Mama had a plan. Her plan was to So Mama brought her phone with her. She told Awa to bring her phone with him, and then Mama will use her iPad to call them or track where they are.
Stop.
Like that stuff. Until it's a few minutes, I was making like those things that you make candy. I was doing those. And then I went to the end because I got scared that my iPad was missing. And then they came back with my iPad. They checked the marketplace. Mama, I can't tell the story properly. Papa, I can't tell the story properly. Can you tell the story? I can't say it properly. I can't say it properly. I can't say it properly. I can't say it properly.
Okay, I can it also. Bye! Dahil palagay lang.
Dahil tingnan mo ko nakasarado maigi ha.
Hi, bien. 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 Uy. Bien. Say hi.
Baka mahulog.
It's Saturday and it's sunny day. Yay! Makakapamasyal kami ng maayos. Makakapamasyal kami ng maayos. Oy, antayin natin sila. Let's wait for them.
Gabi notice.
What? Wow, suit agad ah. That's my birthday. Hi, Bien. Today, we're going to Osaka Castle. Saan pa tayo pupunta, Mi? Osaka.
Mega Sky Building. Tower! I thought the tower.
Ano yan?
I wanna go to the tower.
Ah, sige. Ano muna? Osaka Castle, Tenkaku. Tenkaku Tower.
Okay.
So first we're going to
Then Umeda Building.
And
then we go back to Dotonbori. Let's try the cruise.
Then, sleep.
This is a cruise.
Kasama din cruise doon sa ticket. Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Ito.
I mean,
What? Ni hao.
Yesterday, dala ni Ellie yung iPad niya. Tapos nung pagbalik namin dun sa sa Airbnb namin, hindi namin makita yung iPad. So tinak ni Cherry sa Find My iPhone. So sabi, dito daw yung location na naiwan yung iPad. Tapos kasama ko si Kuya Andy, si Basti, tapos si Kuya Dandan. Na dito kami naghahanap. Nadedetect na ni Basti kung nasaan yung iPad. Tapos ang galing, ang tagal naming nawala kasi namasyal pa kami. Tapos nahanap din na Basti dun sa dito lang sa may gilid ng sa gilid ng grocery. Tapos nakapatong lang doon. Galing. May picture si Basti, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan nakita yung iPad. Galing, grabe eh. Buti hindi nawala kasi mapapabili kami ng iPad. Ay, kwento ko na yung at least kwento ko na ngayong araw na to yung tungkol sa iPad.
I tried to explain it.
Pero may picture ka, di ba? You have picture? Yeah. Hindi ka nagti-TikTok, Basti?
He doesn't like TikTok. He only does the photos.
Pero ang galing kasi hindi nawala yung iPad.
You know how many? You know what generation is that? 9. That's 9 generation. That's is it 9 or 6?
No one.
So ngayon,
It's 9 or 6 generation.
full schedule kami ngayon. Tagang todo pasyal na kami kasi hanggang Monday na lang kami. Pero Monday uwi na kami. Pero we had a lot of fun.
Can we go there later?
Sabi niya, uso daw sa school nila ito ngayon eh. Pogi! Sana makagawa ng magandang video about this trip para sa personal din namin. Maalala ng mga anak ko ni Bien na nag-travel kami, nag-birthday niya, nakapag-Japan kami. Si Ellie nakalimutan niya na kasi kung kasama siya sa Japan pero baby pa siya kaya hindi niya matandaan. Sana yun, save ulit para makapamasyal. You know, ang buhay ay weather lang. So enjoy. Wala lang, at least masaya. Birthday ni Papa Andy, nakapag-celebrate siya dito sa Japan. Si Dandar, buti nakapag-leave sa work. Ang galing. Wow! For 1 week nakapag-leave. Thank you do sa nag-approve. Nakasama siya. Yes. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Nasaan?
Ayun o, si Ote May.
Dapat may ganun eh. Dan, nandiyan wala mama mo eh.
Saan to?
Dito. Mama Didi taxi. Ay, sorry. Okay na. Di sila sumisigaw sa slide mo. Bakit ako sisigaw ako eh? Di sila nasigaw sa slide. Bakit? Banana doon ako. Pero pala kaya. Anak mo.
Papa being dramatic about slides.
Kasi kandidato talaga.
Ilang floor na ba tayo? Nila. Excited ka na? Ikaw lang? Wala nga excited. Ako din nervous ako. Panoorin ko na kayo ah. Love you.
Mapunta tayo sa Philippines.
Pina daw tayo.
Wala, black may sumasabing sa akin. Para naman lalabas kuya si ano? Si
Chow.
Sino nga yun?
Katsi.
Nakuhay ko ba? Yung malaking mata. Malaking mata. Yan. Yung so
This Ultraman.
Ultraman. Kuya si Ultraman.
Take off.
Take off. Makakalas yung ilalim. Ano ba talaga?
Sakto siya sa elevator.
Si Ultraman ang sagot sa atin. Ultraman Ace!
Welcome to Zuding Tower.
Good luck. Kayo Kuya Andy. Dali niyo yung GoPro.
I'm gonna scream my lungs out.
You just shout if you're scared. Ha?
Baka makitawa ko yun.
Pag-slide na mo pababa eh. Kayan. Condition lang. It's all in the mind. Bawal daw ang GoPro. Alin. So,
Camera sa, ay yung cellphone sa
bawal daw ang GoPro. Iwan.
Ticket daw niya nasaan? Ticket daw niya nasa bag.
Get it. Hindi parang cool na cool ka lang ah.
Slide lang yun, sisi.
I'll just go. Tiyan ako. How many seconds? Kaya ate. How many seconds? Can you bring GoPro? I'll just close my eyes. Tawa siya. Randy, wave naman kayo. Ayan. Ellie. Wave. We survived the slide. That slide.
Survive!
Yeah.
Gusto ko ng ice cream o kaya ng waffle.
Teka, ice cream muna tayo.
Parang may dessert.
Dessert muna tayo. Kain tayo ng sugar. Kasi nag-slide tayo dun yun.
Yes.
Grabe yun. Ha? Chocolate ba yan yung ice cream? Baka meron pa iba. Sa Lawson na lang ni. Doon na tayo mag-ice cream. Gusto mo ba?
Okay, let's go.
So Lawson na ice cream.
Let's find Bobora.
Or yung ano yun? Titingin na lang tayo.
Oh, we should go to Omega first. Then we buy it there.
Muna yung chan ko. Umangat yung damit. Kita yung chan ko.
Okay lang ito at sa survive.
Ha? Saya. And next. Saan tayo next, Mi? Umeda Building?
Umeda Slide.
Umeda, ay pala oh. Umeda, slide na naman?
Sky.
Umeda Sky. Akala ko, Umeda Slide na naman.
Did you find something inside? Slide. One of these. Ice cream ka rin.
Taste it. How was it? Pwede ba yung kaibigan?
Yan, food.
Then how was it? Food.
Yeah, me, eat. Eat.
Ako?
Eat mo, beba.
Mainit lang.
Ay,
ice cream. Get it. Ay, kapit.
Who wants this?
Sas. Kunin mo yung ice cream mo.
Kasi ko yan?
Ellie, I got this na.
Akin to.
Look. Pwede, tuling.
Dati may puwet.
Meron pa ako 3 step.
May puwet.
Yum, yum. Kailangan niya matamis after the slide. Yun yun. Thank you. Yum, yum. Let's go. Salita ka naman.
Konnichiwa! Kaya naman Japan!
Wait lang.
Where are we going, Doton?
It's our last day today.
No.
And
Mama, where are we going? Dotonbori.
Dotonbori.
So, hey.
Oh, yes.
Bye. So, on our way.
Nakasama boss mo.
On our way
Nakasama
to
boss.
go somewhere. I don't know where. Where are we going? Where are we going from?
Dotonbori.
We're going to. I thought we are in Dotonbori. Well, I thought we are in Dotonbori.
No, we're not.
Then where do we live?
We are in Chuo Chome. Chome Chuo.
Oh. Okay, so.
Wag.
Okay. I need to. Any cars? No cars. And they were left behind, but they're still going. I feel like I just cracked my teeth a little. Like I feel like I just like cracked my teeth and there's pieces in my mouth. That feels so weird now. Yeah. So. Oh. Actually hurts. Let's hope it crack my teeth. I mean, like, how would it crack my teeth? But I didn't even eat anything solid. I just ate haichu. A piece of haichu. Okay, so I ate haichu. We're going to Dotonbori naman. So, I'm tired of walking. Ma, how many steps did we do yesterday? We did 21,000 steps. That's what it feels like to be in Japan. And I'm already tired by every second. We're going somewhere. Wanna go back to the condo?
Using toilet.
Wanna go back to the training in Taekwondo?
10, no?
I'm gonna start. Wanna go? When you go back to training, our legs will be so stiff. I mean, I can't even do one. I tried doing one of the training stretches, but it didn't work out. Because it didn't work out. We're gonna go eat ramen when it's so hot. Because the Filipinos. Because the Filipinos are Filipinos. The Filipinos. Oh my gosh. I heard copyright music.
No, hindi na.
I feel like I cracked my teeth.
Well, okay.
No. So, we're taking a long time.
Louder your voice kasi hindi ka
We're
marinig.
taking a long
I'll
time.
just delete that. Sige ka.
Hi, so we're taking a long time. So is Bien. I mean, like, look at Bien. So, Ma, you want to say anything in the camera?
No.
Okay. So, I learned how to hold the camera properly. Stiffly. I held it like this last time, but now I hold it like this. Nice and stiff. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Okay, now we're going to Denden Town, ha?
Tingin ko kayo, ay?
Hindi po, wala. Denden Town is like Akihabara in Tokyo. Maraming card game. Ano yun? Anime figures. Parang ako lang yata mag-enjoy. Ewan ko lang yung dalawa ko mag-enjoy yung dalawa.
I'll buy pa.
Go dito, tas lahat yung dalawa.
I want to buy lang naman super, Trunks lang naman eh.
Trunks and Friends.
Trunks, Goku,
And food.
Piccolo. So, see you later.
This our travel story ends. Our heart is full of happiness and joy, full of precious memories that will last for a lifetime. Thank you, God, for this wonderful trip. On to the next. Thank you for watching.